As administrator of your Verizon account, you have full access to your billing and the ability to add or change services. Let's say you would like someone else to handle your online PTT Plus contact management, but limit their access to account maintenance items. You can do that by creating a new login with limited access for that person. Let me show you how. First, log in using your admin credentials. If you are a new Verizon customer, you should already have received your welcome email containing instructions to log into the account management portal. Once you've logged in, click on the wedge icon next to your name. From the drop-down menu, choose Profile Administration. Here you will see your name listed as an administrator and all other online users who you have added to your account. This is where you can edit, remove, or grant people access to your Verizon online account tools. For now, we're going to add a new person. Click on Add a New User. Add the new user's contact information. Now let's look at the user role options. This is where you restrict access to just managing contacts on your PTT Plus devices. Click on Need Help Finding a Role. Here you will see a detailed matrix containing options for a user role. To allow contact management for Push-to-Talk Plus devices, while imposing the most limited access to your account, you would choose the Product and Service role. Now be careful. This role allows you to maneuver internal contacts among sublists, groups, and devices. It does not allow the user to change a contact's name, since doing so affects billing. Let me repeat that. The Product and Service role does not allow editing of a user name associated with a wireless number on the account. Just the ability to create lists and push them out to your PTT Plus devices. To allow the user the ability to make changes to user names, you will need to move them up to the Maintain Limited role. This gives them access to billing, but limits their ability to upgrade, add service, or change administrative settings. Please review your choices shown here. After you complete the process, it's a good idea to log in with their credentials to make sure the role you selected matches your intentions. OK, now click on the Close button and select a role from the drop-down box. In this case, we will choose the Product and Service role. Check the box for push-to-talk access rights. Finally, check the accounts you wish this user to have access to, as shown here. Now click Submit. Your new user will be sent an email from Verizon My Business to register their account. When your new user logs in for the first time, they will be taken through some security steps. Let's take a quick look. The first step is to validate their identity by entering a one-time passcode received via text or phone call. Next, they'll choose a username and set up a password. Then, they'll set up a security profile by choosing a secret question and answer. Last is agreeing to ECM terms and conditions. Now, the new user is off to the races. And this concludes the co-administrator video.